Hello, Honor Sophomores. This is your last video agenda for the school year. This covers this coming week, which is a full 5-day week, and then the 2 days next week. Obviously, most of the rest of the year is going to be taken up by the capstone project. So just to recap what you're doing this week, which I kind of went over last week too. On Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, you have 3 days to get that capstone presentation complete. I would like to determine the schedule of presentations for Thursday and Friday on Monday, so please email me with your preferences as to when your group wants to go. I have about 6 presentations per class, so we'll do 3 or so on Thursday and then 3 on Friday. If you want to get it over with on Thursday, then tell me that. If you'd rather wait till Friday, that's fine too. I will base the presentation schedule on a first come, first served basis. And if I don't hear from your group, I'll just put you wherever I have space. So let me know what you would like to do in that regard. And then, like I said, you have 3 days to work on that in your groups. What you'll be working on those 3 days is your Google Slides presentation. I will be posting that assignment on Classroom. You may feel free to turn it in early. I should add this now. The Google Slides presentations will be due to Classroom by midnight on Wednesday night, because then the presentations will start on Thursday and Friday. I only need 1 submitted per group, as usual, but you have those 3 days to work. Just make sure during those 3 days that you're completing steps 3 to 12 on the checklist in the assignment document. So the day that I introduced this project, it's still on Classroom. There's that Google Doc with all the instructions. On the second and third to last pages, there's a checklist. You guys have already completed steps 1 and 2. That was your thesis and your planning guide. And steps 3 to 12 all pertain to the Google Slides presentation. So just make sure as you work that you're completing all those steps, and also refer to the rubric in that assignment document, just so that you make sure that you're going to get all the points. So then Thursday and Friday will be our 2 presentation days. Remember that whatever day you're presenting, you have to be there for the full Google Meet, even when your group is not presenting. I don't think it'll take the full 50 minutes, especially if we're only doing 3 presentations. It'll probably take half an hour tops. But you do need to be there for all of the presentations that are going to take place. And that will take place during our normal class periods. So second hour will be 8:50 to 9:45, third hour 9:50 to 10:40, fifth hour 11:40 to 12:30. On the day you're not presenting, you do not need to attend. So that day is a free day for you, essentially. Speaking of free days, moving on to our last 2 days, we are in session Tuesday and Wednesday. I have designated those as make-up work days. So if you're missing any assignments and you want to get those extra points, that's a perfect opportunity to do that. I will also be posting an optional survey on second semester on Google Classroom. I would be very appreciative if you took a few minutes to fill that in. I'll leave that up on Tuesday and Wednesday. And so I will talk to you guys on Thursday and Friday during your presentations. But I'll say it now, I'll say it again. I hope you have a wonderful summer. And I'll see you around next year when I come back in January.